Let me show you why Artlist is amazing. I want to show you a quick review on why Artlist is awesome and why I use it and why it's better than a site like Premium Beat or whatever. So check it out. Okay, so the first reason why I think Artlist is really awesome is because it's cheap. It's $199 a year, where you can download unlimited music the whole year. And when I compare it to, for example, Premium Beat, I used to use that. It was $49 for one track, and now I pay $199 for a whole year. So that's way cheaper. So the second reason why I like to use it is because it looks nice. I really like it when a website looks slick, when it looks nice and very basic to work with. So it looks nice, but also the interface works really nice and is really easy to work with. The third thing why I really like it is because it's really easy to search for a specific song that you want to use for a project. It's really easy to search with genres, with video themes, with instruments, duration, and also the tempo that you want to use. The fourth reason is, again, I used to use Premium Beat, and most of the time the music was very cheesy and very digital. And the great thing about Artlist is that the music is high quality music and is really good music. And the last but not least, the fifth reason is I like to have my music very quick. So when I'm working on a project, I like to download my music very quick. It's really easy in Artlist to download music and to like in a few minutes you have the right track for your project. So I really like that. It helps me to work fast and to have a quick result. So that's the last thing why I really like Artlist. So I really like Artlist. You should take a look at it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Peace.